Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can install the BlueStacks on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So if you want to install the BlueStacks on your Windows 10 PC or laptop, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to navigate to any of the browser that you want, and after that, you have to write the BlueStacks here. And once you have write the BlueStack, you have to click on this link. And here you can see the download option for BlueStacks. Just tap on the download option. After that, here on the download option, the BlueStack has been downloading. You have to wait until the BlueStack has been successfully downloaded here. Once the BlueStack has been successfully downloaded, you have to go for the allow option here and tap on the as option. After that, they are checking your system. Just tap on the install now and go for the I agree. And they are downloading the BlueStack here. You can see that. So they are downloading the BlueStack here. You can see that. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily download your BlueStack on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So wait until the download has been successfully completed on your PC or laptop here. So with the help of this video, you will easily download the BlueStack on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.